I'm going to show you a few ways to delete apps on your Mac, but the first thing to understand when deleting apps is that removing them from the dock doesn't delete the app. It simply just removes the icon from the dock and the app stays on your computer. To actually delete an app, you'll go to Finder and navigate to your Applications folder. If you don't see the Applications folder in your sidebar, you can go to Settings, Sidebar, and make sure Applications is checked. Once you're in that folder, you'll locate the app you want to delete and then simply right-click and move it to the trash. And then empty your trash. 90% of the time this is enough. The app is gone and you'll never see it again. Some larger apps might have a dedicated uninstaller, which you'll run to remove that app from your computer. Technically, you can just delete these apps like I showed, but the uninstaller is designed to remove the main app and any support files like preferences, cache files, background helpers, etc. Think of it as a more thorough way of deleting apps, and these are usually included with larger apps that might have a lot of files associated with them across your computer's system files. Another option is to use a third-party app that's designed to declutter your Mac and remove unwanted files. This one, for example, will scan your apps and help you remove all the files or highlight apps you're not using. These type of apps will look under the hood and check your hidden library folder for preferences, cache files, and other components related to each app. They'll scan files linked to the app's bundle ID and look for known helper processes, background services, and support files. So these apps do more than just delete the app file, but they're not doing anything magical. It's the same stuff you could do manually through Finder. The benefit from using an app is that it's automated, faster, and usually with fewer leftovers compared to doing it manually. If you want to learn more about a manual cleanup, I'll link a video for that in the description. Go check it out and drop me a comment if you have any questions. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next video.